history of auto detail. Car enthusiasts are nothing new, but are as old as the automobile itself. And detailing and its principles actually started with horse and carriages, with the first wax being applied to horse carriages, which was actually animal fats, and smeared onto the lacquer paint finish to offer protection and a beautiful shine. To the beginning of detailing in itself started with Henry Ford. Although he did not invent the automobile, he made it widely available to the middle and lower class income people. Car washes started as hand washes with a sponge and water to keep the finish as clean and as beautiful as possible. Everyone wanted an automobile, and throughout time, they were proven to become more and more readily available and more desired. In 1888, Minerva made the first solid, liquid, and paste polishing compounds. Meguiar's was founded in 1901 in a small garage in America. Then 3M revolutionized the auto industry with wet-dry sandpaper. In 1921, its first application was intended for paint refinishing. This was the true birth of auto detailing. Fast forward to 1930, and in a small town of Zurich, Switzerland, Swissfax was born. In a small kitchen, hand poured into individual tins. Swissfax is still around today, making some of the most exclusive OEM formulations for Rolls-Royce, Lamborghini, and more. Keeping cars looking good has always been a status symbol and representation of economic class and, of course, cool factor. Today, the detailing industry in the United States is a staggering $12 billion in revenue industry. Car washes and detailing are synonymous, but are different in a technical sense. Car washes have been around as long as cars themselves. Developments from hand car washes to automatic car washes, such as the Sherman car wash, that sped up turnaround time for business owners and customers alike. Detailing was and still is performed after the initial wash, and consists of vacuum cleaning in nooks and crannies, applying protectants to the interior surfaces, such as Armor All, air freshener, cleaning the windows, and more, such as leather care, carpet care, carbon fiber care, depending on the trim level. Armor All was invented and introduced into the marketplace in 1972 in Dunbury, Connecticut. It is still geared towards protecting interior as well as exterior surfaces while leaving a beautiful shine. Exterior detailing starting with compounding the paint with a rotary gear-driven buffer. Problems associated with it was, of course, well known, and that is burning the paint, leaving holograms. But since then, the advent of the dual-action polisher into the industry has now been more widely used to safely remove defects such as water spots, eggshell, also known as texture in the paint, swirls, light scratches, and in combination with a polish or polishing compound. A diminishing compound works by the movement of the polisher while polishing the paintwork. The abrasive grains held in suspension by a liquid breaks down and apart into a finer and finer grain. This process is repeated until the finished result is achieved and the defects are removed. This cuts down time and is less destructive than using a non-diminishing compound. The idea behind polishing your car is to leave a beautiful finish that is sure to gain attention and also improve the resale value. This video is for informational purposes only, and the opinions expressed in this video are that of only Exquisite Mobile Auto and Aviation Detailing Exquisite Mat LLC. There is no affiliation between any companies mentioned within this video.